I have changed location, I have a new flat now, and then I'm going to do volunteering in the farm. So little update of the past days, walked around a little bit. I've seen something terrible. I've seen a kid being eaten by electric stairs in a mall. It was not pleasant.
Superior. Después de que se libera, entonces vamos a iniciar con nuestro primer vertido.
What is this?
This
Yes.
is chocolate.
It's chocolate.
Yes, it's like a type of cake.
It was a very normal week, not a lot of adventures, just walking around, meeting people. Thank you so much for following me. Don't hesitate to share, like, subscribe, comment. See you around in the next video. Ciao, have a good day.